Hello, I'm Jim Cuno, president of the J. Paul Getty Trust. As we all adapt to working and living under these new and unusual circumstances, we've asked curators from the Getty Museum and the Getty Research Institute to share short reflections on works of art they're thinking about right now. We'll be releasing new recordings on Tuesdays over the next few weeks. I hope you'll find these stories about our daily lives, from laundry on the line to a dog at a scholar's feet, thought-provoking, illuminating, and entertaining.
My name is Mazie Harris. I'm one of the photography curators at the Getty Museum, and working at home these days, I feel like all I do is laundry and dishes nonstop. So I found myself appreciating all the more this photograph by Walker Evans. It looks like the photographer walked between two buildings and glanced up to see these crisscross lines of laundry hanging out to dry. There's such delight in this sort of, it's just like an everyday occurrence. And I don't know, looking at laundry dry seems like it would be just devastatingly boring. And yet Evans manages to make it look like a lively musical score. The fabrics bellow in the wind, the sweet string of socks swaying against each other at the bottom left corner. It evokes full lives and loving labor. It's all here illuminated and abstracted against a blank sky. Photographers have such an incredible ability to make the mundane visually interesting. Photos remind us to look carefully, to be observant. And I'm grateful to be reminded of that as I pull yet another load of laundry from the washer or endlessly plunk dishes into the drainer by the sink. This photograph reminds me to try to find beauty in even the most banal places.
To view this photograph by Walker Evans, titled Washington Street, New York City, Wash Day, and made around 1930, click the link in this episode's description or look for it on getty.edu/art/collection.